On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make Carne Asada Mexican street corn dip. Perfect for any party, so let's get to cooking. All right, so this cheese is gonna be mixed in 2 steps. So first thing you wanna do is get your 2 blocks of softened cream cheese. Make sure it's softened, or you'll have to get the blender out. Want your garlic, sour cream, buffalo hot sauce, and we got 2 cups of pepper jack cheese here. We're only gonna use 1 for the first mix. So half of it. Now, we mix that up. Now we have 1 cup of feta cheese, 30 ounces of corn, the rest of our pepper jack, and cilantro. Use as much or as little as you like, and mix it up. Bingo. And a teaspoon or 2 of lime. And then, last but not least, I got 2 semi-finely chopped jalapenos without the seeds, and about 1/2 of a purple onion. That sucker's purple. All right, so we have it all mixed up. Now we're gonna cook the carne asada. We're gonna layer this in the middle and a little bit on top. This is gonna be the best dip that your people have ever had. All right, put down a little bit of oil, dump away from you. Now this is already marinated, but we're gonna also season it up with a little bit of our classic steak. Just like that, she's done. Pull it off. We're gonna set it to the side and start building our dip. All right, so we got everything mixed up. All we gotta do is assemble. I'm gonna put this in my trusty cast iron. This thing has been around for a minute and made tons of dips. So we're gonna put down a layer of corn. First coat down. Spoon in our carne asada. Now, we'll just dump in the rest. Smooth it out. Now, I'm gonna put it in a pile in the middle. A little pile in the middle. All right, so we're gonna sprinkle some Dirty Bird just right across the top of it. Now, we're gonna put it in the Traeger, 350 degrees for about 20 to 35 minutes. All right, so it's been 25 minutes and it's time to pull it out. Ooh, that looks amazing. All right, garnish it. A little bit of cilantro. A little bit of lime juice. So this looks and smells absolutely amazing. I'm just gonna dig right in here in the corner. Get me a little chip full. Put me a nice little piece of carne asada on there. This may be the best dip we've ever made. Ever. I gotta get another bite. That's beautiful. If you've ever made anything that we put out, I highly recommend you make this one and make it quick. Because this is gonna be a showstopper at any party right here. So hey, I wanna thank everybody for watching. If you wanna make this recipe, head on over to Kosmos Q, print it off, go make it for your people. They're gonna absolutely love it. 100% showstopper, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make. I got we fought in the grocery store.